Hello guys, what is going on? It's your boy, Ben HD here. Today I'm doing the burp challenge, which my mate did recommend, and he said it'd get you some views on YouTube, and it's a lot of fun, you know. It's a bit disgusting, but yo, the challenge is how many burps can you do in 1 minute? I have got my clock here, and I'm gonna count 1 minute, so I'm gonna start in 20 seconds. Okay. 3, 2, I got like 10 seconds before I can start. 10, 9. I tell you I'm gonna start every 5 seconds, right? Right, let's go! Hey. 30 seconds remaining. God. And that's the minute. Right, I think I did about 50 burps then, bit under, but yeah, it's a bit of fun really. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, and comment. It's okay if you don't like, because it's a bit, you know, disgusting and it now smells in my room, but why not do it anyway? Peace out, guys.